Let's be honesty heroes together. Honesty means telling the truth. I spilled it. I'm sorry. Thanks for helping. I told the truth. I broke it. Can we fix it? Telling truth makes friends stronger. I found this. It's not mine. Honesty makes grown-ups trust me. Oops, my bad. Let's play fair. It's late. I'll do better. Time's up. I'm done now. I feel sad. Please be gentle. I got extra. Here you go. I am sorry. I will fix it. Truth gives me hero power. It went out. Their turn now. Little lies feel heavy. I tell the truth every day. You can be an honesty hero. I made a mistake. I'll fix it now. Ask a grown-up to subscribe for more.